and welcome to the tutorial for the Design Studio tool. I'm going to try to use it all to cover all the functionality, but still if you have questions, feel free to write us at info@originalmissiontile.com. First of all, I'm going to talk about browser compatibility. This tool uses heavy HTML5 components, so we recommend using Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. Internet Explorer and some other browsers don't work very well with it, so please upgrade to the latest version of Google Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. The first step is creating an account. You can use the Create an Account button for it. I have some sample data here. You just fill it in the blanks, and there are two fields that you need to consider that are very important. The first one is country, because you need to actually select a country from a list. If you write something that is not in the list, it won't be valid. After selecting one from the list, the other field is the distributor reference. If somebody told you about the tool, it's very important for you to write him or her name down, because the administrator of the tool is going to actually check this in order to grant you access to the tool. After having an account, you can sign in and start working. First, you need to select a tile size, for example, 8-inch. So once we select that, the designs that are associated to that size are going to be loaded. It's very important for us to tell you that you won't be able to be mixing designs from, for example, 8-inch and 6-inch. You can use the search bar or select the tiles directly. So I'm going to go with some designs here, and I'm going to be searching for one called stripes. So then you can click Next. Here you can see the 4 designs I previously selected, and now I can start painting them. I'm gonna just stick to white and red colors. You can select the colors from the palette on the right. You need to save each design. If you just close this down, it won't be saving the color pattern that you have just selected. Then it's very important to select the tile you want to be placing on the grid. And you can perform some actions. If you click again on the grid, you can delete it, for example. If you unselect the tile, you won't be able to do anything on it. So you need to select it back and place it. After you have this design ready, you can use the preview button to actually see how it looks in a kitchen, in a bathroom. If you want to save this image for your personal records, please use the print screen associated to your operating system. Windows has a print screen button, and in Macintosh you can use Command Shift and number 4 to, for example, select an area you want to save in your desktop. Maybe you want to try a bigger grid, so instead of the 2x2 one, we can go to the 5x5. I'm going to work on coloring the other tiles so I can place them in the grid. Okay, after you have all the designs ready, you can start eliminating the ones you don't want and start placing the ones you worked on. You can actually place a design. If it's not fitting the pattern, you can use the rotate button so it matches the pattern. So I'm just gonna finish this design. It's a very simple one. And after finishing it, if you preview, you can actually see the complete pattern. If you're happy with your design, you can click Next. And the summary of the tiles you used and the colors will be there. If you like your design so much, also you can save it so you can access it later. And it will have this information on PDF, so you can actually save it and have it for your personal use, or you can provide it to your vendor and actually get a price estimation. The PDF contains the design you created and a detailed list of all the tiles and the colors you used. Also, you can click here to access the design again to the PDF, or you can send it via email, maybe to yourself or to somebody else. Also, if you don't want to keep a lot of them, you can delete them using this button. So thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope that we covered all the functionality you need to start working on the designs you like. If you find any errors or bugs, please write us at info@originalmissiontile.com and send us a screenshot plus the browser you're using. If you can provide the browser version, it would be awesome so we can help you better. Thank you very much.